This long-established traditional canvas wash basin has been modified by Safari Duka into a more practical unit. It is generous and wide, and there is no more having to tip it over to empty it, or having to place it near a tree from which to hang a mirror and towel. It now self-drains through a fitted hosepipe out into the grass. It comes with a carry bag and a cover for the mirror, incorporating a piece of plywood to protect the glass during transport. The carry bag, identified by its label, is being opened and the items taken out for assembly. The legs open out from a central steel bracket, which only allows for one way in which this can happen, so do not use force. This central bracket surrounds a steel ring through which passes the flexible drain pipe. Thread the hose and then hang the basin on the steel hooks at the top of each leg. These will be facing inwards if the legs have been opened correctly. Two opposing legs have unsealed top ends. Place the towel hook in one of these. The mirror has a loose cover, incorporating a plywood piece to protect the glass. If this has been removed, maybe for washing, the video illustrates how to replace it and uncover the mirror using the Velcro strips. The short steel leg on the mirror frame has a clamp for adjusting the mirror angle when inserted into the washstand leg. And here the cloth covered plywood protector is being folded back and attached to the back of the mirror, making it ready for use when put into the basin leg. The Safari Duka fold-up wash basin is ready.